party to have fun, you see. I got different hobbies, and that's all I need. Some say life is boring, but I disagree. I wake up and live my dream.
Hey everyone! Welcome to my channel. My name is Kelsey. If you clicked on this video, you are probably wanting to see some fun Valentine's Day decor, and that is exactly what I have. A lot of the stores that I went to have all of their things out, or of course like Homegoods, they're getting them in continually. So I know if you are one of those people that hates when holidays are like 3 months ahead of the actual day, I feel you, I can relate, but it is good to know what's out there. So this video is going to do just that. I am feeling very festive today in my all pink sporty wear. I'm feeling like a cool soccer mom. Behind me I got all these pink pillows, so I am definitely in the spirit. I hope you guys are too, and let's get into this home decor haul. So I made a stop to quite a few stores. I went to Target, and then I went to TJ Maxx and HomeGoods, so I'm going to share with you guys what I found. There was a lot of cute things at HomeGoods. I personally don't love to spend a lot of money on seasonal decor, especially holidays like Valentine's Day, St. Patrick's Day, 4th of July, things like that, just because, I don't know, they're a shorter time period, so the decor can't be up as long. So I always suggest checking out the Dollar Tree for Valentine's Day decor. You can actually find a lot of cute things for $1, so you can't beat that price. I think I might do a DIY Valentine's Day decor video from the Dollar Tree, so if you are interested in seeing something like that, then give this video a thumbs up or leave me a comment. Also, the Target dollar spot, I found a lot of good things, so I'll start with what I found at the Target dollar spot, so it might spark your guys' ideas. Every year for Valentine's Day, me and my girlfriends throw a Galentine's Day party, so this year I am hosting it. When I went to the Target dollar spot, I found a lot of good things for that party specifically, so I might as well share them with you. I got some rose petals. These were only $1, and my idea for this Galentine's Day is in my living room, having a picnic styled dinner. So setting up like a table on the ground but covering it completely with a tablecloth or whatever you have on hand. You could do a giant sheet if you have one. I also picked up these paper napkins. I think these would look really cute on the table I'm decorating. I liked these. These were just white and gold hearts. I really like these ones as well. It says gals. These were only $1, which is a great deal. I saw one similar to these at HomeGoods for $3.99. So you can see the price difference there. I got some crinkle paper to spread out on the table. Again, only $1. And then these are little favor bags, which I thought were really cute and inexpensive. I like that they cinch, so you can basically put whatever you want inside of these. I think I'm gonna do maybe candy, miscellaneous little trinkets that they can take home with them. And they had a bunch of different patterns. This one is just pink and white stripe. I like the rose gold heart on this one. They have some different colored ones too. You don't have to do pink if you don't like that color. They had this banner, which I really liked, and this one was $3. I'll take it out of the packaging so you guys can see. This is kind of hard to show on camera, but it stretches out. You guys get the idea. It says hello love, and I like the burlap. It just goes with my house decor, so I thought this was perfect. And then I got these little cards to go inside their gift bags. These were only $1, and this one says, "You're like really pretty." Of course, if you've seen the movie Mean Girls, you understand this quote. I think I might write a little note to each of them and then put them in the favor bags. I of course had to pick up some peanut M&Ms. I just love Valentine's Day candies because they're really easy and inexpensive to decorate with. I do suggest again to go to the Dollar Tree because you can find basically the same thing for half the price. You could put these candies in an apothecary jar, and that's like instant decor right there. And the next thing I got was from Opal House, and this I'm really excited about. I tried to find the other one that is a heart garland, but they were sold out at every single store around me, which I'm kind of disappointed about. But I did see this one, and honestly I think this will go really well with my decor. My decor style has changed so much over the years. If you guys are like an OG follower of mine, then you know that I used to be so obsessed with teal and mint, and that has changed a lot over the years, and I feel like that happens to me every few years. I always change my style. So right now I'm really into like bohemian. I love natural woods. I love very light colors, whites, creams, blushes, things like that. So that's what I'm really into right now. So Opal House, the brand at Target, is everything. I want all of their things. They're just so beautiful. So every time I step in their section, it can be kind of dangerous. But thankfully, I restrained myself and only found this guy today. So this one is really cute. It's a Valentine's Day garland. I love the wood detail, and then it has these tassels. I think this will look really cute hanging on my fireplace mantle. So I'm gonna see what it looks like, and then if that doesn't work out, then I do want to still look for the heart garland. If you guys are interested in this, I'll leave it in the description box. It was $10. I'll leave the heart garland down in the description box as well in case you're looking for something like that. It's so cute. It's pink blush hearts, and then there's also tassels throughout it. It's just really pretty. That one is also $10. And then I picked up a glass pitcher. This was also in the Target dollar spot, but this one was $5. I love this one because it has really cute hearts all over it. This is a glass pitcher, so I liked that a lot. This I could use all year round, so that's why I got it. You can fill it with whatever you want, punch, lemon water, so many different possibilities. The last thing I got from Target was this banner. It's just a bunch of different colors of pink and white. Here's a picture of what it looks like, and this one was only $3. If you guys want, I can film the setup for my Galentine's Day and film all of that process because it might be something you're interested in. I love to throw parties, so I think this one will be a fun one. All right, moving on to TJ Maxx and HomeGoods. I picked up some baking cups from HomeGoods. These were $3.99, and I really liked the design on these ones. I just think they're so precious and girly, and I like that you can use these for so many different things. You can put cupcakes in them, donuts, cookies, popcorn. There are so many things you can do with these. I think I'm gonna fill these up with different types of popcorn and set them throughout the table. I need to really sit down and write out everything that I want to do for the table itself for Valentine's Day, so I'm still thinking about that. And then I have this bag right here. I did pick up a new candle from TJ Maxx, and I really loved this one because the top of this candle is really what sold me. I just think it's really cute and girly. This one was $12.99, and it smells amazing. This candle is by Sand and Fog, and it's goji berry. It smells very fruity and fresh, so if you like that kind of scent, they had a ton of these there. And again, the top is so cute. I love Sand and Fog because they are always coming out with really cute designs for their lids. I have purchased Sand and Fog candles before, and they do have a really nice fragrance that's not too overpowering. I've been noticing lately that the Bath & Body Works candles are so fragrant. They kind of smack me in the face. I still love them, but they are very strong. So if you're looking for something a little bit more subtle, this might be a good option for you. Next thing, I purchased these really cute coffee cups. My husband just recently got an espresso for Christmas. He was saying that he needed some disposable coffee cups, so of course in my mind I thought that I would get these cute girly pink ones. These ones really caught my eye. I just think they're so cute. They say hugs and kisses, and then they come with sleeves, and these just have really cute blush hearts on them. These are very inexpensive. They were only $3.99. I got them from TJ Maxx. So those were a fun find. I got a set of kitchen towels. I try and change out my kitchen towels every holiday just because they are very inexpensive. I think kitchen towels are such an easy way to decorate your kitchen and give it that like little pop for whichever holiday you're working with. These ones were $6.99. Again, very girly. I love all the pink hearts. I saw so many different designs for kitchen towels there right now, so if you are in the market, I would go check them out. My feet are falling asleep so bad. Holy crap, my feet are numb. Oh, wow. Wow, God bless. Woo! I have one last thing to show you guys. Don't judge me. If you watched my kitchen organization video recently, you know that I said I wouldn't pick up any more coffee cups. But I did say if I picked up a new coffee cup, then I would have to take one out of my kitchen right now and give it away. So that's what I'm gonna have to do. This is what the coffee mug looks like up close, and I love it so much. It's obviously white down below and then blush pink up top. I think this mug looks very much like an Anthropologie mug. That's why I bought it. I just loved the style of it. It was $3.99, so it's not going to break the bank or anything. So I'm going to have to take out one of my coffee cups from my cabinet and get rid of it because a new one is coming through. Alright, we did it. That was everything for this haul today. I haven't done a home decor haul in what feels like forever. I know you guys used to really like when I did these, so I want to keep continuing them if you are interested. Some organization videos are coming up next, so if you're not subscribed, I would love to have you. Definitely click that bell notification if you haven't. It will notify you every time I post a new video. Give this video a thumbs up if you can. It would mean so much. It does help out my channel. Thanks for watching this video and sticking with me. If you have any questions, leave them down below. I would love to chat, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!